Trikun Kyabgun, the highest Lama, tells us the story of the beginning.
86, I found this place. We doesn't have any money, but we borrow some money, so I decided to buy this land. Then we starting about fundraising, so we're very lucky and success in this project. So then first time this small building, the first floor, I just down there, I stay there. As we down in our office, we start the class there. So we school and construction at the same time. So now 87 we start construction, and now we have 5 years complete. The students also now 5 years complete the education.
The schoolmaster can hardly hide his nervousness. May they all succeed now in the presence of all the high guests. Even the highest lamas of his order, Trikun Kyabgyun, Chetsang and Chunsang Rinpoche are here. The spirit of enlightenment is realized in practical life as love and compassion, caring for others, responsibility and understanding for fellow man, animals and nature.